Assalamu alaikum and welcome back everyone to chapter 10 of the Arduino series. This video is going to be different in the sense that we're just going to go through a fast recap of what has been completed in the other videos for the chapter 1 group. I should have done this video first, but I haven't, and I've completed the other ones that have all the tutorials. I guess for this video we're just going to go through what I have done, just a quick recap of all the videos, and what to expect for the near future, and I'll just explain this throughout the video in itself. So far I'm enjoying the format of dividing my series into chapters. I think it's very easy for me to be organized. It makes a lot of sense. The next chapter is going to be chapter 2. I still haven't completed as of now chapter 0. Just for a quick recap, it's just going to be the extra information. It is skippable, so it's not important. But chapter 2, however, we're going to delve deeper. We're gonna cover different topics that will just overall improve our experience and improve our skills when tackling circuits or making circuits with the Arduino board in itself. And just the top of my head, we're gonna cover things such as understanding the serial monitor, understanding libraries, and utilizing variables and how to use them. I don't want to delve too far, but however, the way I'm going to divide chapter 3, 4, and 5 is into inputs, outputs, and sensors. This format will allow me to cover multiple different types of components at the same time, since at some point we will have to utilize different components into one circuit. And just as a reminder for anyone who wishes to learn with us and progress with us, there is a link to all the kits and all the components that I'll be using for each video. I will always leave a link for an Arduino kit just in case you haven't picked it up. It is very similar to the one that I'm using right now. And I'd like to thank you for watching my videos up until now. They really do mean a lot to me, and I wish to hopefully progress this channel into much more than where I am right now.